Hey folks, if you watched my video of me shooting the Ruger PC charger with the advanced armament Tyrant suppressor, I just wanted to let you know that if you're going to be using it on a rifle versus a pistol, fixed barrel rifle, you will need to use what they call a fixed barrel spacer. It looks something like this. Now I'm going to show you how to install that. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is unscrew the end cap. You got push out, remove the spring, and this comes with two pieces. There's a little spring washer, and then this piece here. What you want to do is put the spring washer on first, and then slide the collar over there like that. Insert it back in, and screw your end cap back on. And that's all there is to it. You just leave this spring out until you go back to shooting on your floating barrel pistol. You don't need that. Thanks for watching.